Okay, so I'm gonna go over the intro linear programming notes. It is on eClass, so if you have it, you can print it. If not, I need you to copy down just a few of these sentences. If you want to pause this, copy them down, and then we can go over each one. Okay, the first one we're going to go over, it says you have to be at least 16 to drive. So we need to make sure that we're using variables. We're going to write an inequality that represents this statement. And remember, you have your less than, your greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than equal to symbols over here. All right, so you have to be at least 16 to drive. So I'm going to say my age is represented by X. Now, my age, I have to be at least 16. So that means 16 or bigger. So I'm going to have X is greater than or equal to 16. Second one, you have to be at most 20 years old to attend high school. So at most is 20. So everything you have to be is less than that. So your age has to be less than or equal to 20. Okay, next one. You need at least a 70 to receive a passing grade. So this one's a little bit easier to comprehend. So if you get to pass anything, you need to get at least a 70. So your grades have to be more than that. So your grade has to be greater than or equal to 70. Okay, the next one, again, a little bit easier to comprehend. A final grade cannot exceed 100. Okay, I cannot put more than 100 in the grade book. So whatever grade I put in has to be less than or equal to 100. Okay, next one, you have to have a minimum of 6,000 seats available to host a state football game. So minimum of 6,000, so everything has to be greater than that. So your seats have to be greater than or equal to 6,000. Another one that might be a little bit familiar, okay, it's talking about GPA. You need a minimum GPA of 3.0 to qualify for HOPE. So again, it has to be greater than, okay? So your GPA has to be greater than or equal to 3.0.